Word time. Let's learn some new words. History, the study of the past. History tells us about ancient India. Past, the time that has gone by. We learn lessons from the past. Source, something that gives information about the past. Old coins are a source of history. Chronology, the order of events in time. A timeline shows the chronology of events. Timeline, a line showing events in order of time. The timeline lists the kings in order. Decade, a period of 10 years. Many changes happen in a decade. Century, a period of 100 years. The temple is many centuries old. Millennium, a period of 1,000 years. The city is over a millennium old. Era, a long, distinct period of time. We live in the modern era. BCE, before the Common Era. The Buddha lived in the 6th century BCE. CE, the Common Era, is counted from a fixed point. The Gupta Empire rose in the 4th century CE. Manuscript, a book written by hand. The old manuscript was made of palm leaves. Inscription, writing carved on stone or metal. The inscription praised the king. Script, a system of writing. Brahmi is an ancient script. Archaeology, the study of remains left by people of the past. Archaeology uncovers buried cities. Archaeologist, a person who studies old remains. The archaeologist dug up old pots. Historian, a person who studies and writes history. The historian read many old texts. Artifact, an object made by humans long ago. The museum displays ancient artifacts. Monument, an old building or structure of importance. The stupa is a famous monument. Ruins, the remains of old buildings. Tourists visit the ruins of the fort. Excavation, the digging up of old remains. Excavation revealed an ancient drain. Excavate, to dig out remains from the ground. Workers excavate the old mound. Civilization, an advanced and organized society. The Indus civilization had planned cities. Prehistory, the time before writing was known. Cave paintings belong to prehistory. Hunter-gatherer, an early person who hunted and gathered food. A hunter-gatherer moved in search of food. Nomad, a person who moves from place to place. A nomad does not settle in one spot. Forage, to search widely for food. Early people would forage for fruits. Paleolithic, the Old Stone Age. Paleolithic people used rough stone tools. Mesolithic, the Middle Stone Age. Mesolithic tools were smaller and sharper. Neolithic, the New Stone Age. Farming began in the Neolithic age. Flint, a hard stone used to make tools. Early people shaped flint into blades. Tool, an object used to do work. A stone tool helped cut meat. Hearth, a place where a fire is made. People gathered around the hearth. Cave, a hollow space in rock. Early humans sheltered in caves. Rock painting, a picture made on a cave wall. The rock painting showed hunting scenes. Domestication, taming wild animals and plants for use. Domestication of cattle changed life. Cultivation, the growing of crops. Cultivation of wheat began long ago. Agriculture, the practice of farming. Agriculture gave people a steady food supply. Herding, keeping animals together in a group. Herding cattle was an early occupation. Pastoral, relating to the herding of animals. Pastoral groups moved with their herds. Granary, a building used to store grain. Surplus grain was kept in the granary. Sickle, a curved tool for cutting crops. Farmers cut the crop with a sickle. Plow, a tool used to turn over the soil. Oxen pulled the heavy plow. Surplus, more than what is needed. Extra grain was stored as surplus. Barter, exchange of goods without using money. People used barter before coins existed. Settlement, a place where people live together. Farming led to permanent settlements. Pottery, pots and vessels made from clay. Harappan pottery was painted with designs. Kiln, an oven used to bake pots and bricks. Bricks were baked hard in a kiln. Citadel, the raised, walled part of a city. Officials may have lived in the citadel. Drainage, a system to carry away dirty water. Harappan cities had a fine drainage system. Seal, a stamp used to mark goods or letters. Each seal had a carved animal figure. Dockyard, a place to build and repair ships. Lothal had an ancient dockyard. Weight, a measured piece used to weigh goods. Traders used stone weights. Craft, skilled work done by hand. Bead making was a fine craft. Craftsperson, a skilled worker who makes things by hand. A craftsperson carved the beads. Raw material, the basic material used to make goods. Cotton is a raw material for cloth. Terracotta, baked clay used for figures and pots. Terracotta toys were found in the ruins. Trade, the buying and selling of goods. Trade linked distant cities. Merchant, a person who buys and sells goods. The merchant carried goods by ship. Bead, a small object used to make jewelry. Each bead was carefully polished. Reservoir, a place where water is stored. Dholavira had large water reservoirs. Veda, an ancient sacred book of India. The Veda was passed on by memory. Rigveda, the oldest of the four Vedas. The Rigveda has many hymns. Hymn, a sacred song or verse of praise. Priests recited each hymn aloud. Sanskrit, an ancient language of India. The Vedas were composed in Sanskrit. Raja, a king or ruler. The Raja led his people in battle. Jana, a group of people in Vedic times. Each Jana had its own Raja. Sabha, an assembly in Vedic society. The Sabha discussed important matters. Samiti, a general assembly of people. The Samiti met to take decisions. Varna, a social division of early society. Society was divided into four Varnas. Gana, a group or assembly that ruled together. A Gana was ruled by many chiefs. Megalith, a large stone placed over a grave. A megalith marked the burial site. Burial, the placing of a dead body in the ground. Goods were placed in the burial. Ancestor, a family member from long ago. People honored their ancestors. Tribe, a group of families with a common ancestor. The tribe followed its chief. Chief, the leader of a tribe. The chief settled disputes. Ritual, a set of religious actions. The priest performed the ritual. Yajna, a Vedic ritual using fire. The king held a grand yajna. Priest, a person who performs religious rites. The priest chanted the hymns. Janapada, the land where a Jana settled. Each Janapada had its own ruler. Mahajanapada, a large and powerful kingdom. Magadha was a strong Mahajanapada. Republic, a state ruled by chosen people, not a king. The Vajji was a republic. Monarchy, ruled by a single king or queen. Most Mahajanapadas were monarchies. Fortification, walls built to defend a city. The capital had strong fortification. Tax, money or goods paid to the ruler. Farmers paid a tax on their crops. Tribute, a payment made to a more powerful ruler. Smaller kings sent tribute to the emperor. Empire, many kingdoms ruled by one ruler. Ashoka ruled a vast empire. Emperor, the supreme ruler of an empire. The emperor controlled many provinces. Dynasty, a line of rulers from one family. The Maurya dynasty was very powerful. Province, a large division of an empire. Each province had a governor. Capital, the chief city of a kingdom. Pataliputra was the capital of Magadha. Throne, the royal seat of a king. The prince sat on the throne. Treasury, a place where a state keeps its wealth. Taxes filled the royal treasury. Conquest, the taking of land by force. Ashoka stopped war after the Kalinga conquest. Conquer, to win control by force. The king set out to conquer new lands. Edict, an official order issued by a ruler. Ashoka's edicts were carved on rocks. Pillar, a tall stone column. Ashoka had messages carved on pillars. Dhamma, the moral teachings spread by Ashoka. Ashoka asked people to follow Dhamma. Messenger, a person who carries messages. A messenger announced the king's order. Army, the soldiers of a state. The emperor had a large army. Soldier, a member of an army. Each soldier carried a spear. Chariot, a two-wheeled cart used in war. The warrior rode a fast chariot. Fort, a strong building made for defense. The army defended the fort. Buddhism, the religion founded by the Buddha. Buddhism spread to many lands. Jainism, the religion taught by Mahavira. Jainism teaches non-violence. Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. The Buddha taught under a tree. Monk, a holy man who lives a simple life. The monk begged for his food. Nun, a holy woman in a religious order. The nun lived in the monastery. Monastery, a place where monks or nuns live. Monks studied in the monastery. Vihara, a Buddhist monastery. Travelers rested at the Vihara. Sangha, an organized group of monks and nuns. The Buddha set up the Sangha. Nirvana, freedom from all suffering. The Buddha attained Nirvana. Ahimsa, the principle of non-violence. Jainism stresses ahimsa. Upanishad, ancient texts about deep knowledge. The Upanishads discuss the self. Sermon, a religious speech of teaching. The Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath. Pilgrim, a person who travels to a holy place. The pilgrim walked many miles. Pilgrimage, a journey to a sacred place. They went on a pilgrimage. Stupa, a dome-shaped Buddhist monument. The stupa held sacred relics. Sculpture, a figure carved from stone or metal. The temple wall had fine sculpture. Deity, a god or goddess. People offered flowers to the deity. Bhakti, loving devotion to a god. Bhakti songs praise the deity. Coin, a piece of metal used as money. Traders used punch-marked coins. Guild, an association of craftspersons or traders. The weavers formed a guild. Port, a place where ships load and unload. Goods arrived at the busy port. Weaver, a person who weaves cloth. The weaver made fine cotton cloth. Prashasti, an inscription praising a ruler. The Prashasti described the king's deeds. Fresco, a painting done on a wet wall. The cave had a beautiful fresco. Epic, a long poem about heroes and great deeds. The Ramayana is a famous epic. Folklore, the traditional stories of a people. Folklore is passed down by word of mouth. Fable, a short story that teaches a lesson. The fable ended with a moral. Myth, a traditional story about gods or origins. The myth explained the river's birth. Donation, a gift given freely, often to a temple. The merchant made a donation to the vihara. Caravan, a group of traders traveling together. The caravan crossed the desert. Spice, a plant product used to flavor food. Pepper was a valuable spice. Textile, cloth made by weaving. Indian textiles were sold abroad. Migration, the movement of people to a new place. Migration brought new groups to the land. Custom, a usual, accepted way of doing things. Each region had its own customs. Tradition, a belief or way handed down over time. Storytelling is an old tradition. Geography, the study of the earth and its features. Geography helps us read maps. Earth, the planet on which we live. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Solar system, the Sun and all the bodies that orbit it. The Earth is part of the solar system. Sun, the star at the center of the solar system. The Sun gives us light and heat. Planet, a large body that orbits the Sun. Mars is a red planet. Star, a glowing ball of gas in space. Each star is like a distant sun. Satellite, a body that orbits a planet. The Moon is the Earth's satellite. Orbit, the fixed path of a body in space. The Earth moves in its orbit. Galaxy, a huge system of stars. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Universe, all of space and everything in it. The universe is vast. Asteroid, a small rocky body orbiting the Sun. An asteroid is smaller than a planet. Meteor, a streak of light made by space rock. A meteor flashed across the sky. Comet, an icy body with a long bright tail. The comet appeared after many years. Celestial body, any natural object in the sky. The moon is a celestial body. Constellation, a pattern formed by a group of stars. Orion is a well-known constellation. Globe, a round model of the Earth. We located India on the globe. Axis, the imaginary line on which the Earth spins. The Earth is tilted on its axis. Equator, the imaginary line around the middle of the Earth. The equator divides the Earth in two. Latitude, lines that measure distance north or south. The equator is 0 degrees latitude. Longitude, lines that measure distance east or west. Longitude lines meet at the poles. Parallel, a line of latitude on the globe. Each parallel runs east to west. Meridian, a line of longitude on the globe. A meridian runs from pole to pole. Prime meridian, the longitude line marked 0 degrees. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich. Hemisphere, one half of the Earth. India lies in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer, the line of latitude 23.5 degrees north. The Tropic of Cancer crosses India. Tropic of Capricorn, the line of latitude 23.5 degrees south. The Tropic of Capricorn lies in the south. Arctic Circle, the line of latitude near the North Pole. The Arctic Circle marks the cold north. Antarctic Circle, the line of latitude near the South Pole. The Antarctic Circle lies in the far south. Pole, the northern or southern tip of the Earth. It is very cold at the pole. Grid, the network of latitude and longitude lines. The grid helps us find any place. Standard time, the common time used across a country. India follows one standard time. Time zone, a region that shares the same clock time. Different time zones have different times. Rotation, the spinning of the Earth on its axis. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution, the Earth's movement around the Sun. One revolution takes a year. Leap year, a year of 366 days. A leap year comes every 4 years. Solstice, the day when the sun is farthest from the equator. The summer solstice is the longest day. Equinox, the day when day and night are equal. Day and night are equal at the equinox. Season, a part of the year with its own weather. Winter is a cold season. Map, a drawing of the Earth's surface. We trace the river on the map. Scale, the relation of map distance to real distance. The scale shows 1 centimeter as 1 kilometer. Symbol, a small sign used on a map. A blue line is the symbol for a river. Legend, the list explaining map symbols. Check the legend to read the map. Cardinal directions. The four main directions, north, south, east and west, are cardinal directions. Sketch. A rough drawing not drawn to scale. She made a sketch of the route. Compass. A device that shows direction. A compass needle points north. Direction. The way in which something faces or moves. The wind changed direction. Physical map. A map that shows natural features. A physical map shows mountains and rivers. Political map. A map that shows borders and cities. A political map shows the states. Continent. A very large land mass. Asia is the largest continent. Ocean. A very large body of salt water. The Pacific is the biggest ocean. Lithosphere. The solid outer layer of the earth. The lithosphere holds the land we live on. Hydrosphere. All the water present on the earth. Oceans form most of the hydrosphere. Atmosphere. The layer of air around the earth. The atmosphere protects us from the sun. Biosphere. The zone where life exists on earth. The biosphere supports all living things. Crust. The thin outer layer of the earth. The crust is made of rocks. Mantle. The thick layer below the crust. The mantle lies under the crust. Core. The innermost part of the earth. The core is the hottest part of the earth. Landform. A natural feature of the earth's surface. A mountain is a kind of landform. Mountain. A very high and steep landform. The Himalayas are high mountains. Plateau. A high area of flat land. The Deccan Plateau is in the south. Plain. A large stretch of flat lowland. Crops grow well on the plain. Hill. A raised land lower than a mountain. A small temple stood on the hill. Valley. Low land lying between hills. A river flowed through the valley. Peak. The pointed top of a mountain. Snow covered the mountain peak. Range. A long row of connected mountains. The Aravalli Range is very old. Volcano. An opening that throws out hot melted rock. The volcano erupted with a roar. Lava. Hot melted rock from a volcano. Lava flowed down the slope. Earthquake. A sudden shaking of the ground. The earthquake cracked the walls. Glacier. A large slow-moving mass of ice. A glacier feeds the mountain river. Weathering. The breaking down of rocks by weather. Weathering slowly wears down rocks. Erosion. The wearing away of land by wind or water. River erosion shaped the valley. Delta. The land formed where a river meets the sea. The Ganga forms a large delta. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. The island lay far out at sea. Peninsula, land surrounded by water on three sides. India is a large peninsula. Isthmus, a narrow strip of land joining two larger areas. An isthmus links two land masses. Strait, a narrow channel of water joining two seas. Ships passed through the strait. Coast, land lying along the edge of the sea. We walked along the rocky coast. Coastline, the outline where land meets the sea. India has a long coastline. Bay, a wide curved inlet of the sea. The boats rested in the bay. Gulf, a large area of sea partly enclosed by land. The gulf cut deep into the coast. Climate, the usual weather of a place over years. India has a monsoon climate. Weather, the state of the air on a given day. The weather is cloudy today. Humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air. High humidity makes the air sticky. Air pressure, the push of the air on a surface. Air pressure falls on high mountains. Wind, air moving across the earth. A strong wind blew from the sea. Monsoon, the seasonal wind that brings heavy rain. The monsoon waters the fields. Cyclone, a strong storm with whirling winds. The cyclone hit the coast. Tide, the regular rise and fall of sea water. The tide came in at dusk. Wave, a moving ridge on the surface of water. A big wave crashed on the shore. Current, a steady flow of water in the ocean. Ocean currents move warm water. Salinity, the amount of salt in water. Sea water has high salinity. Vegetation, the plant life of an area. Dense vegetation covered the hills. Flora, the plants of a region. The valley has rich flora. Fauna, the animals of a region. The forest has varied fauna. Ecosystem, living things together with their surroundings. A pond is a small ecosystem. Habitat, the natural home of a living thing. The forest is the tiger's habitat. River, a large natural stream of flowing water. The river flows to the sea. Tributary, a smaller stream that joins a river. The Yamuna is a tributary of the Ganga. Confluence, the place where two rivers meet. Pilgrims bathe at the confluence. Origin, the point where a river begins. The river's origin is in the hills. Mouth, the place where a river meets the sea. The river widens at its mouth. Basin, the whole area drained by a river. The Ganga basin is very fertile. Watershed. High land that divides two river systems. The ridge forms a watershed. Spring. Water flowing naturally out of the ground. A cool spring rose from the rocks. Waterfall. Water falling from a height. The waterfall thundered into the pool. Lake. A large body of still water inland. Boats floated on the calm lake. Desert. A dry region with little rain. Few plants grow in the desert. Grassland. An open area covered mainly with grass. Herds graze on the grassland. Forest. A large area thickly covered with trees. Many animals live in the forest. Tropical. Relating to the hot region near the equator. Tropical forests are warm and wet. Temperate. Having mild, moderate weather. Temperate lands have 4 seasons. Torrid zone. The hot zone near the equator. The torrid zone gets direct sunlight. Frigid zone. The cold zone near the poles. The frigid zone is icy all year. Altitude. The height of a place above sea level. The air is thin at high altitude. Sea level. The average level of the sea's surface. Heights are measured from sea level. Resource. Something useful taken from nature. Water is a precious resource. Mineral. A natural substance dug from the earth. Iron is an important mineral. Ore. A rock from which metal is taken. Iron ore is mined here. Soil. The top layer of the earth in which plants grow. Rich soil gives a good crop. Fertile. Able to produce good crops. The plains have fertile soil. Barren. Unable to grow crops. The barren land had no plants. Drought. A long period with very little rain. The drought dried up the wells. Flood. An overflow of water onto dry land. The flood damaged many homes. Pollution. Harmful matter that spoils the environment. Smoke causes air pollution. Conservation. The careful protection of nature. Forest conservation saves wildlife. Court, a place where justice is given. The case was heard in judge, the officer who decides cases in court. The judge gave a fair verdict. Witness, a person who saw an event and tells about it. The witness described the accident. Royal court, the king together with his officials. Poets performed in the royal court. Administration, the work of running a government. Good administration helps people. Nation, a country and the people who belong to it. Citizens serve their nation. Independence, freedom from outside rule. India won independence in 1947. State, a region of a country with its own government. Each state has a capital. Central government, the government of the whole country. The central government handles defense. State government, the government of a single state. The state government runs schools. Local government, government at the village or town level. Local government looks after daily needs. Legislative Assembly, the law-making body of a state. The Legislative Assembly passed the bill. Bill, a proposed law placed before a legislature. The bill was debated for hours. Act, a law that has been passed. The new act protects workers. Policy, a plan of action chosen by a government. The new policy helps farmers. Welfare, the health and happiness of people. Welfare schemes help the poor. Public, belonging to or used by all the people. The park is a public place. Private, belonging to a person, not the public. That is private property. Census, an official count of the population. A census is held every 10 years. Identity, who or what a person is. A voter card proves your identity. Religion, a system of faith and worship. People of every religion live here. Caste, a social group a person is born into. Discrimination by caste is wrong. Gender, the state of being male or female. Boys and girls have equal rights regardless of gender. Minority, a smaller group within a larger society. The Constitution protects every minority. Majority, the larger part of a group. The majority voted for the plan. Migrant, a person who moves to live in another place. The migrant came to the city for work. Slum, a crowded, poor part of a city. The family lived in a city slum. Sanitation, clean and healthy living conditions. Good sanitation prevents disease. Literacy, the ability to read and write. Schools help raise literacy. Festival, a special day of celebration. Diwali is a major festival. Assembly, a group of people who meet to discuss. The assembly met to take a decision. Ancestral, belonging to one's ancestors. They farm their ancestral land. Subcontinent, a large landmass smaller than a continent. India lies in the Indian subcontinent. Antiquity, ancient times long ago. Coins from antiquity are rare. Relic, an object that has survived from the past. The relic was kept in the stupa. Currency, the money used in a country. Coins were an early form of currency. Dialect, a local form of a language. Each region has its own dialect. Language, a system of words used to communicate. Sanskrit is an ancient language. Literature, written works such as poems and stories. Tamil has a rich literature. Poet, a person who writes poems. The court poet praised the king. Scholar, a learned and studious person. The scholar read many manuscripts. Education, the process of giving and getting knowledge. Monasteries were centers of education. Knowledge, facts and understanding gained by learning. Books spread knowledge widely. Astronomy, the study of stars and planets. Ancient Indians studied astronomy. Mathematics, the study of numbers and shapes. Indians made advances in mathematics. Medicine, the science of treating illness. Ayurveda is an old system of medicine. Invention, something new that is created. The invention of the wheel changed travel. Discovery, the finding of something not known before. The discovery of fire was vital. Zero, the number naught, developed in India. India gave the world the zero. Calendar, a system for dividing and counting time. The festival date is set by the calendar. Official, a person who holds a government post. An official collected the taxes. Rebellion, an armed rising against a ruler. The people rose in rebellion. Treaty, a formal agreement between states. The two kings signed a treaty. Alliance, a union formed for a common purpose. The states formed an alliance. Expedition, an organized journey for a purpose. The army set out on an expedition. Voyage, a long journey by sea. Traders made a long sea voyage. Route, the way taken to reach a place. The Silk Route linked many lands. Slave, a person owned and forced to work. A slave had no freedom. Famine, a severe and lasting shortage of food. Drought led to a terrible famine. Dam, a wall built to hold back river water. The dam stored water for crops. Governor, the official who heads a province. The governor ruled in the king's name. Sea, a large body of salt water. Ships sailed across the sea. Cape, a piece of land jutting into the sea. The cape pointed far into the ocean. Oasis, a green, watered spot in a desert. Travelers rested at the oasis. Dune, a mound of sand shaped by wind. The desert has shifting dunes. Cliff, a high, steep face of rock. Waves crashed below the cliff. Gorge, a deep, narrow valley with steep sides. The river cut a deep gorge. Tundra, a cold, treeless region near the poles. Few plants grow on the tundra. Savanna, a tropical grassland with scattered trees. Lions roam the African savanna. Rainforest, a dense forest in a wet, warm region. The rainforest gets heavy rain. Estuary, the place where a river widens into the sea. Fish breed in the estuary. Channel, a narrow stretch of water between two lands. Boats cross the narrow channel. Harbor, a sheltered place where ships can stay safely. The ships anchored in the harbor. Petroleum, a natural oil found below the ground. Petroleum is refined into fuel. Coal, a black mineral burnt as fuel. Coal is dug from deep mines. Irrigation, the supply of water to crops. Canals provide irrigation to fields. Canal, a man-made waterway. The canal carried water to the village. Crop, plants grown together for food. Rice is the main crop here. Harvest, the gathering in of a ripe crop. The harvest was rich this year. Mining, the digging of minerals from the earth. Coal mining is hard work. Rainfall, the amount of rain that falls in a place. Heavy rainfall flooded the fields. Snowfall, the falling of snow. Snowfall covered the high passes. Hill station, a cool town located in the hills. Many people visit the hill station in summer. Marsh, low, soft, wet land. Reeds grow in the marsh. Plateau region, a region of high flat land. Minerals are found in the plateau region. Fundamental rights, the basic rights granted to all citizens. Fundamental rights protect every citizen. Fundamental duties, the basic duties of every citizen. Respecting the flag is a fundamental duty. Freedom, the state of being free to act. Freedom of speech is a right. Fraternity, a feeling of brotherhood among people. The Constitution promotes fraternity. Preamble, the opening statement of the Constitution. The preamble states the nation's ideals. Federalism, the sharing of power between center and states. Federalism divides power between governments. President, the constitutional head of the country. The president signs the bill into law. Prime Minister, the head of the central government. The Prime Minister leads the cabinet. Chief Minister, the head of a state government. The Chief Minister visited the village. Cabinet, the group of senior ministers. The cabinet met to discuss the policy. Opposition, the parties that are not in power. The opposition questioned the minister. Coalition, an alliance of parties forming a government. A coalition formed the new government. Manifesto, a party's published list of promises. The party released its manifesto. Campaign, organized activity before an election. The campaign lasted 3 weeks. Ballot, the system or paper used to vote secretly. Voters marked the ballot in private. Constituency, an area that elects a representative. Each constituency elects one member. Representative, a person chosen to act for others. The representative spoke for the village. Verdict, the decision given by a court. The court gave its verdict. Appeal, a request to a higher court to review a case. She filed an appeal against the order. Trial, the examining of a case in court. The trial lasted several days. Crime, an act that breaks the law. Theft is a crime. Criminal, a person who commits a crime. The police caught the criminal. Punishment, a penalty given for breaking the law. The crime carried a heavy punishment. Fine, money paid as a penalty. He paid a fine for the offense. Evidence, facts that help prove something. The lawyer presented the evidence. Lawyer, a person trained to practice law. The lawyer argued the case well. Constable, a police officer of basic rank. The constable was on duty. Authority, the power or right to give orders. The officer has the authority to act. Power, the ability to act or to control others. Power must be used fairly. Responsibility, a duty that one is in charge of. Voting is a citizen's responsibility. Cooperation, the act of working together. Cooperation makes work easier. Conflict, a serious disagreement. Talks ended the conflict. Protest, a strong public expression of disapproval. Workers held a peaceful protest. Strike, a stopping of work as a protest. The workers went on strike. Movement, an organized effort for a cause. The freedom movement united the country. Reform, a change made to improve something. Land reform helped poor farmers. Development, growth and improvement over time. Roads help the development of a region. Scheme, an official plan to help people. The scheme gives free meals to children. Revenue, the income earned by a government. Taxes are a source of revenue. Budget, a plan of income and spending. The government presented its budget. Economy, the wealth and resources of a place. Farming supports the rural economy. Goods, things that are made and sold. The goods were loaded onto the truck. Service, useful work done for others. The post office provides a service. Consumer, a person who buys and uses goods. The consumer chose the cheaper item. Producer, a person or thing that makes goods. The farmer is a producer of grain. Demand, the desire of buyers for goods. Demand for fans rises in summer. Supply, the amount of goods available. The shop kept a good supply of rice. Cooperative, a business owned by its members. The dairy cooperative buys their milk. Bank, a place that keeps and lends money. She saved her wages in a bank. Savings, money kept aside for the future. Small savings add up over time. Community, a group of people living in one area. The whole community helped rebuild the well. Neighborhood, the area around where one lives. Children played in the neighborhood. Family, parents and their children living together. The family shared their meal. Heritage, valued things handed down from the past. The fort is part of our heritage. Mother tongue, the first language a person learns. Her mother tongue is Marathi. Costume, a particular style of dress. Each region has its own costume. Worship, the showing of deep respect to a god. People gathered for worship. Shrine, a place regarded as holy. Pilgrims visited the hilltop shrine. Mosque, a Muslim place of worship. The call to prayer rose from the mosque. Church, a Christian place of worship. The bells rang in the church. Gurudwara, a Sikh place of worship. Free meals are served at the Gurudwara. Tolerance, the acceptance of differences in others. Tolerance keeps a society peaceful. Harmony, peaceful and friendly agreement. People of all faiths live in harmony. Brotherhood, a feeling of friendship and unity. Festivals strengthen brotherhood. Aqueduct, a channel built to carry water. An aqueduct brought water to the city. Pasture, grassland used for grazing animals. The herds grazed on the pasture. Coronation, the ceremony of crowning a ruler. The coronation was held in the palace. Heir, a person who inherits a title or throne. The prince was the heir to the throne. Noble, a person of high birth or rank. The noble served in the king's court. Peasant, a poor farmer who works the land. The peasant toiled in the fields. Artisan, a skilled worker who makes things by hand. The artisan shaped fine pottery. Trader, a person who carries on trade. The trader sold cloth in distant towns. Charter, a written grant of rights or powers. The town was given a royal charter. Decree, an official order given by a ruler. The king issued a decree. Reign, the period during which a ruler rules. Trade grew during his reign. Clan, a group of related families. Each clan had its own elder. All done. You learned all 500 words.